If you want to build a faceless channel in YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, you can use Picsart Storyline to create engaging long-form stories. These are a narration-style storytelling videos that are fully generated with AI, including the visuals and the voiceover. First, you need to describe your story and the narrative. What do you want the story to be about? For example, we could start by talking about the achievements of Julius Caesar. After that, we can choose from a variety of options, such as attaching a character image, and that image would stay consistent throughout all the video chunks, as well as we can choose whether it's a character or a style reference, add more reference images, choose the visual style like a 3D animation, anime, cartoon or realism, choose the narration style, do we want the narrator to sound dramatic, inspiring or how, choose the duration, and we are supporting up to 10 minutes of video generation, which is very unique for AI video generation, as well as choose the narrator voice from over 20 voices that we support now. Finally, you can choose the AI model that will generate the video like Veo, Kling, Seedance and many more. Click generate and you will be landed inside the script assistant that is going to help you to generate the voiceover script for the video. It's a chat interface. You are able to reiterate, to work with the assistant to get the best script that you are looking for, and you can get the versions and drafts. You are able to edit it in line, or you can change the whole direction or the length. Once you accept, it will start to process the results to generate a voiceover using the voice that you have pre-selected.
From humble beginnings to the zenith of Roman power, the name of Julius Caesar still echoes through the ages.
I love the voiceover. Now I can choose the aspect ratio. Do I want the video to be vertical or horizontal? The resolution. And finally I can click generate all videos, and it will start generating all the video chunks available. It will first split the whole video into separate chunks because the video generators are limited to generating up to 15 seconds of chunks. But the cool part here is that the visual narrative is following the voiceover and it's synced with the voiceover. You are able to edit all the visual prompts, or you can leave it as is and it will create the whole videos automatically. You are able to generate more variations for the chunks that you don't like and choose the take that fits best for your scenario. Now let's preview all the videos together.
From humble beginnings to the zenith of Roman power, the name of Julius Caesar still echoes through the ages. Born into a noble family, Caesar's ambition burned brighter than the Roman flame. A brilliant military strategist, his legions conquered Gaul, forging an empire that stretched across Europe. But Caesar was more than just a general. He was a shrewd politician, a captivating orator, and a reformer who dared to challenge the established order. His rise was meteoric, fueled by charisma and a genuine connection to the Roman people. Yet, his ambition sowed the seeds of his own destruction. Feared by the Senate, who saw him as a tyrant in the making, Caesar was struck down on the Ides of March, a victim of his own success. Though his life was cut short, the impact of Julius Caesar on Rome and the world.
Finally, you can export the result as a one single merged video or as individual chunks and the audio. And there it is. Your first video for the Faceless channel is there. Go and start your channel with Picsart Storyline.